These are some of the most common questions we get about this program. Now, the first question is, the concepts seem a little too mental and spiritual, too vague. Isn't money about practical steps like investing?
I have an accounting and consulting background, and I have taught many individuals, especially entrepreneurs, how to achieve financial independence. So with this masterclass, I focus more on money EQ side. I've proven that I can teach you many things that are practical. And so in this money EQ class, I teach many things about energy and spirituality and psychology. But at the same time, I want to assure you that this thing works. I've had hundreds of thousands of testimonials on my website. It's overwhelming.
And I can attest to that. I have many friends who are billionaires. I've been mentored by men who have built $100 million to $1 billion companies. And it is always about the mindset first. Many of these men and women never even graduated high school. The second thing is this. Yes, we know that Japan has the highest number of millionaires per capita, but will these ideas work outside Japan, especially in the United States? Are these universal models?
I think so, because the relationship we have with money is universal. I've done a lot of money counseling overseas, and I've been amazed that it's almost identical, what kinds of problems we have and how to solve them, and how quickly it turns out. It's about the same time. So I think it's very universal about money.
All right, now this is a question that's interesting.
Yep.
So someone asked this, for people who don't believe in psychic stuff or energy, I know that's not actually the term, but they use that. What can I get out of this?
So I get the same questions in Japan too. Even though arigato and arigato concepts seem somewhat spiritual, but when you think about it, people feel other people's feelings. So when we feel like somebody is weird, like maybe my intuition tells me that I should not do business with, is this scientific or not?
The next question is this. Can you really create such profound changes in just 3 weeks?
I've done a lot of teaching in my past over the years, and I think it takes a while to change your life, but to receive an insight that's going to shift your life is usually one moment. It might take some time to shift your life, but to receive an insight that shifts your life is usually 1 second. So 21 days is a great time for you to look back your past and also check your relationship with money and then think of the future. So 21 days will be an amazing time for you.
Now, one of the other questions we get, and I'm going to address this, is I'm already so busy trying to succeed at my job, and I've got kids, and I've got a family to take care of, and I might be working 2 jobs. How can I add something else to my life? Now, this is one of the things that makes Quest so unique. You're not signing up for an 8-hour full-day seminar. You're not signing up for a 10-hour program. You are signing up for a 21-day program with 5 to 20 minutes of shifting your mindset every single day. And you can listen to Mind Valley Quest on your smartphone, whether you have an Android or an iPhone device, in no additional time. For example, as you're buying groceries, just plug in your earphones and listen to Ken. As you're on a treadmill, as you're driving, and these stacks and these little instances add up and create a massive shift. And especially if you're busy, you need this program, because if you're busy, it's a sign that you're struggling with money. The wealthiest people in the world are not busy. Now finally, will this program help me if I have major credit card debt?
I want those people to get the knowledge from me, because the reason why you're in credit card debt is you didn't have enough knowledge. Probably you didn't have the right mentors or teachers around money. So I want you to know more about money, so that way you can get out of the debt and start saving enough money, and someday very soon you find your financial independence in your future.
Thank you, Ken. Folks, can't wait to see you in this program. You know, every author that I bring onto Mind Valley, I work with that author because I want to learn what they know. And our hunt for a money expert took 3 years before I discovered the work of Ken Honda. And I felt he was the guy I wanted to learn from. And so as I produce these programs, I'm not just producing them for you. I'm producing them for myself, for my family. Every program I ask myself, will this be something that my son Hayden, when he is old enough, would go through and shift his life? And this is one of those programs. I cannot wait for this program to come out. I'm going to be one of the first students who enroll. And I cannot wait to hear your stories. Remember, the stories you heard today, the woman who got the book offer, you could be one of those case studies too. So enroll below, and I'll see you in Money EQ by Mind Valley with Ken Honda. Thank you all. Thank you, Ken.
Thank you so much.